Okay, so for people who are wondering about Christmas, here, this is one of the big Christmas trees, right? They also have them at the casinos too, but this is one of the main squares in Macau. So what we're gonna do is just walk around and we're just gonna take a look at some of the Christmas stuff here. So Merry Christmas 2023 in Macau at Senado Square. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're gonna take a look around a little bit, and you can also see all the black and white as well. So you can see lots of people here on a Saturday. We'll try to capture the feel of it and just kind of show you. There's a post office right there. They also have Christmas too. You see Feliz Natal, Bom Ano Novo. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Okay, so we're gonna walk down through Senado Square, and we also have some more Christmas things straight down that way. And lots of people around everywhere. It's a Saturday, December 2nd. I don't know when I'll put this up, but you'll get a feel for it anyways. Then we got this big one right here, Merry Christmas, Feliz Natal. Beautiful pillars. This right here is the, used to be a place for orphanage. This white one right here. I'll step back in a moment. And I'm also gonna try to capture this, and then the other Christmas one as well. And then we'll take a quick peek and just kind of take in the vibe of this area. A lot of these beautiful architectural buildings. And I'm also going to try to move back a little bit so that I can get a nice view. There's the original Christmas tree right there. And right there it says Santa Casa de Misericordia, and I mispronounced that. My apologies. It's more like a Spanish word, so, but it's definitely Portuguese. This is where it's a lot of history right here. It's where the orphanage used to be. Was here for centuries, actually. So actually that has a nice, ties into the Christmas spirit, doesn't it? So we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to go this way, and we're gonna take a look at this little, somebody's looking at this right here, and that's actually what we're gonna look at as well. So here we go. 1569, constructed around 18th century. So the Holy House of Mercy, 1569. Charitable organizations of Portugal, first Western style hospital, lepers clinic, orphanage, social welfare structures. To this day, orphans and widows and sailors who died at sea. Okay, so I think I mostly hear it with the orphanage. It's the one that's most. Oh, here's the museum of the House of Mercy. So this yellow one has a. Let's just kind of take a look at that real quick. Just kind of come up here real quick. So this is actually the Macau Holy House of Mercy. Looks like it's going to be closed today. There's actually a sculpture all the way up there as well. So that's actually the founder, 1516 to 1583. Okay. Bishop of Macau. It's actually closed on Monday, so it's actually open right now. I'd like to go into that one. That's going to be a different one. So we're actually going to focus on that in a different video. For now, I'm just going to come back out There's our Christmas one. So I think all we're gonna do now is we're just gonna walk down a little bit towards São Domingos and try to take in the vibe of the whole area. And I'll kind of fill you in. So we basically had kind of the Christmas element of it. You got the sales down that way. So you can have your marketplace and buy all your stuff there. And then we're gonna kind of come back this way. And then we have the Christmas there. Farmacia Popular right there, that yellow one. That one has a lot of history as well. I was just looking at some old pictures of Macau, and that one was, it looks a lot more dilapidated, and it looks like they've restored it quite a bit. The whole time I've been here, it's been restored. Actually, everything here, if you look at old pictures of it, it looks quite, this was through traffic where cars could come in and out. So it looked much different than today. Then you got all these little side streets. Let me just kind of see. Oh, they got a little thing that says Macau now. So actually they have, this is actually new, that they put this Macau right in here. Then they have all new ones up here. So this Travessa de São Domingo now has a, has all these little, Let's take a look at this real quick. So yeah, this is actually all new. So they just put this up just recently. Got all these Macau themes. I didn't quite expect that either. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go all the way up, and then we're gonna go. Didn't expect that. So actually that's all new, all these Macau. So we're gonna flip the camera around, and I'm kind of curious if it's the same over there as well, and it looks like it could be. So now they have all these Macau. So I don't know if they're just doing that for the holidays. You also have all the white lights as well. So let's just kind of come back, and we're gonna come down this street. This street has a lot of paintings. I'm gonna just highlight it real quick. So this one is all by George Chinnery, 1837. And then this is, he painted what Macau used to look like at that time. And so these were, this is a Chinese junk. So they had these all around Macau because we're surrounded by water. And there's more of them here too. And I'm just going to go up to this one because it's empty. But you can see the detail. Amazing. So you captured the themes. I've never actually seen inside that before. I think this one they just do all the cleaning, so they have a little space for that. And then this is Praia Grande right there. Big Beach Road. So yeah, that used to be really well known for Macau for having that. This is the Praia Grande view from the Bom Porto Fort, 1835. Yeah, there used to be fortresses. I was just reading a book about when Macau, when Portuguese would come over to different places, they would basically put a fort right away, fortify themselves in so that they have long-term longevity there. Okay. So that goes up to say, I should probably capture all that too. Okay, so we're gonna head back down. So my original intention was just to capture the Christmas spirit. And then I ended up capturing a lot more. This would be a great place to, I might try to do some filming a little bit different in the future. This would be a great place to play music and then slow everything down. But it takes a lot more editing, of course. Maybe in the future. So yeah, that would actually would be kind of cool if I did that. Okay, so we're gonna just come back out and I'm gonna end this video in a moment. Okay. So in case you're wondering, I'm just kind of walking back towards Soulbrigada, and I was going to try to capture this big beautiful church and then put an end to our video. You see the Soulbrigada there. That looks pretty nice. Looks like you can actually go in today too. Huh. Actually, that's interesting. There's a nun there, so kind of fits in with our theme. Okay. So we are going to come to an end. And way down there is so that goes all the Christmas theme. So we got Merry Christmas, Feliz Natal, and I don't know, Happy New Year. St. Dominic's, Senado Square. All right, December 2024, 2023. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.